So, let's go on naman. Based sa PAS 1, the complete set of financial statements are this. So, when we say complete set, ayan yung nilalaman dapat ng ating financial statement. So, when we present our financial statement externally, okay, or present it to the external users, this should contain the following, okay? But take note for the 6th item here, that's just required only when certain instances occur, or if there are retrospective on it when it comes to accounting policy, so we'll have to present that. But basically, there are 5, but based on the revised conceptual framework, they added this last financial statement, which is the additional statement of financial position covering the financial position of the beginning period. The very reason is because of the retrospective adjustment of the accounting policy. So we have to adjust that on the retained earnings. So for us to better compare the figures, okay, we have to present this financial statement. Okay, we will compare that against naman sa ating current statement of financial position. Okay, so but let's proceed with the first 5. So, meron tayong statement of financial position, or sometimes we call that as balance sheet. So, this statement of financial position, it pertains to the current financial status or standing of the company. Do they have the capacity to pay? Are they solvent? Do they have cash? Okay, kumbaga may liquid ba? Okay, ba pag sinabing liquidity, okay, when it comes sa sa accounting sense, ay ibig sabihin nun, may cash ba sila? Okay, so through statement of financial position, we can verify that. Okay, we can say that they are solvent, they are capable to pay, they have the resources through this. Kasi sa statement of financial position, dyan natin makikita yung mga permanent accounts, or minsan nga ang tawag natin ay balance sheet accounts, which are asset, liabilities, and capital. So, on next one naman, statement of profit or loss and other comprehensive income. So, by the way guys, makikita nyo, ayan yung official name ng type name ng mga financial statement natin based on the revised concept of framework. But previously, from other revision, or kung before, iba kasi yung, if I'm not mistaken, sa FASB, before, iba yung name ng mga financial statements natin. Okay? So, like, sa balance sheet nga, like, sa statement of financial position, before balance sheet yan. Ngayon, ay statement of financial position na siya. Then, meron tayong statement of profit or loss and other comprehensive income. Before, statement of financial performance yan. But now, okay, that is statement of profit or loss and other comprehensive income. Minsan, statement of comprehensive income din. Okay? So, in simple terms, that is also an income statement. Okay, so statement of profit or loss and other comprehensive income naman pertains to the financial performance of the company during the period. Do they perform well by measuring their income or net loss? So, meaning, masusukat natin if they perform operationally through their net income or net loss. Kapag karoon sila net income, so we could assume that the company really perform well. Kasi may bumalik diba? May bumalik na pera. Ayun naman goal natin sa isang company na magkaroon tayo ng net income. So, if they incurred net loss, possibly, medyo low yung performance nila, but not basically na talagang magko-close na. But we could just say that they have low performance this year, but probably because of other instances. Okay? So, minsan hindi control ng company, like COVID-19, that it did really affect, okay, most of the companies. So, kumbaga, through this financial statement or statement of financial performance or statement of comprehensive income, makikita natin yun. Okay? So, statement of changes in equity naman, this pertains to the capital statement of the company. So, makikita natin dyan what are the changes dun sa ating capital. Okay? Meron bang nadagdag? Meron bang nabawa? So, sa company, mahalaga kasi yung capital. So, that's why we have to present this particular financial statement or tinatawag natin statement of changes in equity. Itong statement of changes in equity, it varies depending on the form of business organization the company has. So let's say the company is a sole proprietorship. So ang tawag dun sa capital statement niya is statement of changes in equity. Okay? So sorry. That's wrong. So ang tawag doon is statement of owner's equity. Okay? Pag partnership naman, statement of partner's equity. Then kapag corporation naman, statement of shareholders equity. Okay? So, kumbaga, ba't makikita lang natin doon yung changes sa capital. So, changes sa capital possibly because of the net income, net loss, withdrawal, okay, and so on. So, sa corporation kasi may mga special changes tayong pwedeng maipasok under capital statement like retained earnings. Okay? So, marami pa yan, but as we proceed with the financial statement topic, mas may intindihan nyo. Okay, the next one is statement of cash flow. So, statement of cash flows, so it pertains to the inflows and outflows of cash. Okay, so cash is an essential element in the business. So, we really need to present this one. So, makikita natin dyan, yung ano ba yung cash na nangyari when it comes to operating activities, ano ba yung cash na nangyari when it comes sa investing activities, and ano ba yung mga cash na nangyari when it comes sa financing activities. So, those topics we've discussed that, but babalikan pa rin natin later on. So, the next one, okay, is yung notes to financial statement. So, sa notes to financial statement, this statement arises particularly because of the concept of full disclosure or full disclosure principle, wherein we have to disclose or present all significant matters in relating to the company. So may mga information kasi guys na hindi quantitative, so but we still have to present that because of the materiality that particular item has or information has. So kaya magkakaroon tayo ng notes of financial statement. Sa notes of financial statement, as I mentioned from the previous discussion, it contains the information about the company. Let's say, sino ba yung mga board of directors, kailan ba na-establish yung company, okay? Their other information pa. Kumbaga, important information about the company. Then, dyan din natin makikita yung mga significant accounting policies, accounting methods used by the company. Then, we could also present there yung breakdown ng ating mga schedule sa ating financial statement. Like, for example, sa balance sheet, we have presented inventory as general. So, yung breakdown niya, makikita natin kung paano nag-compute or paano nag-arrive dun sa ating notes to financial statement. As, kumbaga sa notes to financial statement, mas naiintindihan, okay, ng users of information, yung mga nangyari on these 4 financial statements. Okay? So, para siyang footnote. Then, this notes to financial statement could also contain mga events na important na naka-apekto sa company, like yung mga fortuitous event, and even itong COVID-19 pandemic, we could disclose that as well on our notes to financial statement, how that particular event affected our company or affected the company when it comes to operation. Okay, so basically, this is the complete set of financial statement. So, sir, pwede bang 5 lang i-present ng regular regular company? Yes. So, kasi itong number 6 required lang, 6 statement dito, required lang yan under special instances wherein kailangan mag-retrospective adjustment. Okay? But basically, sa complete set of financial statement, itong 5. Okay?